Ladies and gentlemen, if you can see by the thumbnail, I have something very special for you guys today. I have Can you see the reflection? 3090 people. 3090. But now it's on my hands. And it's gonna see a lot of 4K gaming with ray tracing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So let's do an unboxing video. Hello and welcome, Tino Galaxie here. And today we're gonna be doing the unboxing video for the RTX 3090. Wow. It is juice. And I hope it works. Really hope it works. So especially the guy put out no returns. But you should give me a working one, because I can put a bad review on him and it'll be bad. I went broke, man. I'm not gonna eat for like a week or who cares? I have a 3090, bro. 3090, bro. Massiveness. It's like so massive. It's like big, humongous. I never thought I was gonna actually able to own one on this one. I mean, if it comes in like 10 years, this is gonna become obsolete. I mean, you can totally use it for paperweight right there. Some paper. I guarantee you that paper is not gonna go nowhere. Guarantee you. But yes, man, look at this beauty. It's beautiful, gorgeous, awesome paperweight. Gorgeous, man. It looks so good. It's like damn come true. Unbox video. I know. I just recently got it. 1080 Ti, but man, I couldn't resist. I'm probably gonna try to sell the other one so I can put this one. I hope it fits on my case, because holy god, it feels unfit. If it feels fit, I'm just gonna break the still buying a new case. I'm just gonna go break the tempered glass. Yeah, no, inner cool. Because why can I see the person didn't have a case? He had them for like on the outside. But yeah, yes, this is my unbox video for the RTX 3090. Oh, beautiful. Now I'm just gonna clean it up, put it on PC. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tino Galaxie. This was my unbox video for the RTX 3090. The next day. I'm so excited now because I got the RTX 3090 now. I just need to get myself a legit Resident Evil 4 remake jacket so I can be rocking this when the remake drops next year. Wow. Well, thank you so much for watching Tino Galaxie. I'll see you in the next video. Till next time.